Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 4 Turbo, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find privacy protection. Then let's enter special permissions, and here we have to localize this option, install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, we can change it, so just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. Here we've got this information because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install the apps. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.